Today we are installing a custom bar support. The next step that you want to do is to level the top of the bar. You've secured the top of the bracket but not the bottom yet. So you just want to go along and see how far you're off and kind of pull up on it to see how far you have to go up on it and get yourself like a. In this instance we have a raw concrete floor, so it doesn't matter if it's scraped up or scratched. You want to get yourself like a 2x4 or something, and you're just going to hammer this in there until the bubble is right in the center, and then you want to do that along 3 times this way. Just hammer it in a little bit until it is level, and then move on down the bar and do each spot. Now if you have Formica, you can't just hammer in the 2x4, you're going to actually have to have somebody, 1 or 2 people come along and pull up on the bar and then secure the bottom. But in this instance we're going to tile over the bar, so it doesn't matter. And you also want to make sure that you level the bar lengthwise in the middle and on each end. And then if it's off on the very end where it is attached to the wall, you're going to have to actually knock. It's just like this end, it's attached. You're just going to have to knock it loose from the wall just a little bit. What you want to do is just take a knife and cut along the edge to make sure that all of the caulking is cut loose. And this is only if you have like a raw bar top that you're going to do something else with. And then just hammer in, crowbar a little bit and pry out just a little bit until you see a crack all the way along it. And then that's loose enough to move up and down. And that's the way you would level a bar.